Hello guys, in this video just going to explain how to install Fall Guys in Nintendo Switch. So in order to download, right, you need to go to this Nintendo eShop. This video is for beginners. Here we need to go to this Nintendo eShop and choose your account. If you don't have account, just create it and log in it. Okay, already I have logged in. This is my user, so I'm going to tap it. Fall Guys is displayed in featured. If you don't find it, just search it. We need to search it here. Fall Guys. Search it. So you can see this is a new game because it is released today. Okay, I'm going to tap this free download. Again we need to tap this free download. Again we need to tap this free download. You need not to add credit card or debit card details because this is free. Thank you. You can check the download status on home page. So I'm going to home page. Super cool. It is downloading. I think it's 4 GB, I guess. Game is successfully downloaded. I need to open it. So select the user ID. Super cool. We need to agree this. I agree to all and start it. So need to tap next, 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 next. If you have already connected your Epic Games account, automatically it will be connecting. But if it is asking you to create your account, you need to create it. So that page is automatically skipped because my account is already connected with Epic Games. So if you want to invite your friends, right, you can see these options. So you need to press this minus button. So going to tap it. So here you can enter the name, accept. So here you can see this friends list. You can invite. I'm going to add as a friend. Once they accept it, right, you'll be able to play online matches. So going back, or you can create your own lobby. Press Y, and we need to move on custom shows. Come to custom shows. Here you can join existing lobbies. You need to enter the code, or you can create your own host. So I'm going to create the lobby. So this code I need to provide to my friends so that they will be able to join this 5-character code. So going back, your friends will join with the code. So again, going to custom shows to join, we need to enter the code. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can download and install Fall Guys and play online in Nintendo Switch. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.